Hadi Ajmal. I am studying BBA first year. My topic is computers and our life. How computers changes our life. Let's see. Computers and its use the rapid deals many tasks and use various problems human life encounters in daily life. The- Therefore, they have more influence on our life. The impact of computer uses our life. The identify saving money, time, and effects. The understand depth of computer invention, human life, the development, communication, education, utility, facilities, and healthcare. Country with computer can be bring people closer. Faculties contacts between use emails, chatting, video conferencing, mobile phones, social medias, and save the time, effect, money, computer, printed media, television, and radio play important role of our life. They too have replacing computer for the control storage, broadcasting use computers. We have enable creating the documents display on the screen. Inflation of computer education. No doubts, computer as the mass maker in education field. The decide ago if any clarification process. Finally, right effect itself tax and may not enable future sovereign subject clarification solution enable other side world. We are the enable now the wearables because life communications is Google search, Guru, human assistant, asset, artificial intelligence. Something are in the education mock. Most of the university offer distant educations exams using online channel. There the students many the mac in the because the hard knowledge, real knowledge speakers and world learner congregation. What is mock? Mock is mass opening online courses. This course technology enables both free paid connection without knowledge some of Mac. Uh, courses, education university, Harvard University, and education of Mac. Some proper university economic famous now more the more university. Inflation of computer faculty. The faculty comfort the our life will promoted transportation facility to people travel and roadway and waterway use the computer control the operator tags related to travel. Thank you, ma'am. Hello.
Ajmal,
Yes, yes.
Ajmal, have you finished, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. My topic is finished, ma'am.
Yeah, I somehow, I would appreciate you for constantly presenting, and we see a very good improvement. But somehow your audio was not clear, so I couldn't get the content properly. So I won't comment on that. But then I appreciate the fact that you have been presenting almost every day, and you're determined to improve your presentation and oral skills. And very nice, Ajmal. Keep going and you will see a remarkable improvement. So keep reading aloud, keep presenting so you improve on your accuracy and fluency. Congrats, ma'am. Sujitra, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, Ajmal, I think you're another person whom I always admire because the way you try to always come forward, not only online, but even in the college, any program we see you there present, trying to always learn. And as ma'am said, yes, we had certain amount of disturbance, and the talk was not clear. But yeah, all I could take was that your topic was on computers, a good topic that suits the present scenario, how important computers have become in our life during this COVID-19 time, right? So it was a nice topic. I don't know but how many of them could really understand, because there was a lot of disturbance in your audio. But anyway, I appreciate you for your enthusiasm. Keep presenting, and there's a lot of improvement in your presentation. Very good. Bangla ma'am?
Thank
Yeah, Ajmal, as madams have said, your audio kept dropping. The connection was here connected, then lost, then connected, then lost. So it was not clear. But as you said, computers and our life is the topic that you introduced. Very well done.
Yes,
But then the
yes,
thing
ma'am.
is, you have to make it crisp better. Somewhere in between, towards the end, you realize that time is running short and you rushed with your presentation. Maybe you wrote down some points. You just gut, you read it. So that part, it was not clear. But otherwise, I really appreciate your enthusiasm. Very well done.